As the MiG retire, I have with me Wing Commander Rajiv Batish, who is going to share his experiences with the MiG-21 as he's been the pilot. And today, how are you feeling?
Okay, MiG-21 is a very versatile aeroplane, and we're very sorry that it's going, but it's done more than what it was designed to and serve. So we got an 61 design of those, that vintage, upgraded over the years, served the Indian Air Force in 65 war, 17 war, 99, Balakot, and training so many of us. The fact, testimony of that is so many people have come here who are attached to MiG-21s. They trained through it, they learned through so much, and gained so much operationally, gained so much in the career. There's so many air marshals who come. Everyone has flown MiG-21 here. So it's a great day. This con started flying in Chandigarh. Fortunately, I also started my flying in Chandigarh in 1982, and today we are seeing off from the same tarmac. And I'm so happy and I'm so fortunate that I'm here living and seeing this moment when the aircraft is being sent off. And this is the first time I'm seeing such a grand send off to an airplane. So we had the maximum number of MiG-21s flying in the Indian Air Force. The bulk of it, initially 80%, and 60%, and dwindling as we change and we progress in time. And today you will see that all the aeroplanes that are fly-worthy, they'll be just shutting down shop. So it's very sad, but then all good things have to come to an end. So MiG-21 story has been great, and I wish all operators of MiG-21, especially all those who are here today, all the best. And we had really golden times flying the MiG-21.
Any one memory which you would like to share?
Okay, it's a personal memory. I have repeated to other channels also. I came here as a bachelor in '82, and we used to be all youngsters. And I met my would-be wife over here over a MiG demonstration in the city. So that is my one-time memory. She's with me here today to see off the aeroplane, and we've gone through 40 years of marriage and up and kicking, and we're very happy to be here.
So MiGs are the ones which have been flown for the longest period of time with India, and all the other countries who are flying them, they've already retired. What kept them going here?
So India, unlike other countries, is a huge country, and we have a big setup of producing things in factories. Every other country didn't have such wherewithal, and we had the will. We got going. We had our factories doing the thing, indigenous production and assembling things, getting spares wherever required from. So we really worked on it, and we then modified it. We modified so many things. It's electronic warfare, be it the engine upgrades, be it sighting, the armory that it carries. So it's been, they've upgraded to the fact that it's still operational and doing well with its contemporaries. So whereas other countries they buy the things, use it and throw it. India doesn't do that.
So now when finally the MiGs are switching off today, if MiGs were a person, what would you have told them?
If I said thank you very much. We're so grateful to you for doing such good service and extended service, and given us so much of pleasure, so much of confidence, and so much of power behind our people, our country, that we owe a lot to you. And no words can express the amount of dedication and kind of gratitude that we have for you. And wish you good life, rest in peace, and do well wherever you are.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. So this is a moment of emotion where all the veterans, all the servicemen who've been associated to MiG are bidding goodbye, saying thanks for everything. And so is the nation. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Prem Chand for India Today from Chandigarh.